Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Thank you for clicking on this video. My name is David and welcome to Utechpia. I just got the new iPhone 11 Pro Max. And unfortunately, there's been a lot of reports showing that the screens on the iPhone 11 scratches easily. That is not good news. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to install the Whitestone Dome Glass Screen Protector on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. This iPhone 11 Pro Max costed over $1,500, so I want to protect it, and I want the absolute best screen protector that money can buy. I want to make sure that the screen protector doesn't take away from this brilliant iPhone experience, and that includes the vibrant color, the brightness, the clarity, and the responsiveness of the screen. I want all that to be intact with the screen protector installed. I've been using the Whitestone Dome Glass Screen Protector with all of my phones since the iPhone 10, and I've never had a problem with them ever. I've always loved the quality of the glass. This screen protector is the only screen protector that I've found to cover the entire phone screen, and the installation process even guarantees a perfectly aligned installation with zero air bubbles. If you look carefully, you can see that the cheaper screen protectors doesn't always align properly, and it doesn't cover the entire screen. Here's an example of a cheap screen protector. You can clearly see parts of the screen is not covered. Now compare that with the Whitestone Dome Glass Screen Protector, and you can see that it covers the entire screen and it's aligned perfectly. If you ever want to remove the Whitestone Dome Glass Screen Protector, rest assured, this screen protector can be easily removed and does absolutely no damage to your iPhone. You can see on the YouTube cards above a link to a video where I removed the Whitestone Dome Glass Screen Protector quite easily and without any problems. It's good to know that they also have a limited lifetime warranty, so if your dome glass ever gets damaged or gets worn out, you can request a replacement through Whitestone's website and they'll take care of you. They're good at customer service. The only downside to this awesome screen protector is that the installation does take about 10 to 15 minutes, especially if it's the first time you've installed one of these. But don't worry, we'll do the installation together and I'll walk you through each step of the way. Here are 2 quick tips that'll get you started right off the bat. The first tip is make sure you do the installation in a dust-free environment. So watch out for windows and air vents that might blow dust onto your screen while you're doing the installation. You definitely do not want that. And the second tip I have for you is that you can use a USB power bank to power the UV curing lamp. That way you can do your installation anywhere you want. You don't need to look for an electrical outlet. Here's what's included in the kit: the UV curing lamp, a micro USB cable for the UV curing lamp, 2 bottles of adhesive. You only need 1. The second bottle is for backup in case you mess up and you need to try again. The slider to help install the screen protector, a detailed manual with step-by-step instructions, dust removal stickers, alcohol wipes, absorption pads, cleaning cloths, and some more alcohol wipes, the top tray, and the actual tempered glass screen protector, speaker masking film, position bridge, and the bottom tray. Note the markings for the speaker and the connector, which will match up for the speaker and connector markings of the top tray. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Make sure you have a level working surface. You can use your phone and open the built-in Measure app to check if your surface is leveled. You can also use a bottle of adhesive and roll it on the phone screen to make sure it's perfectly stable and doesn't roll around. That way you know you have a leveled working surface. Step 2. Turn off your iPhone so that you don't get calls or notifications during the installation. Step 3. Wipe down the screen with one of the alcohol wipes. Step 4. Dry off the screen with the cleaning cloth. Step 5. Place your iPhone on the bottom tray. The text on the top of the tray reads connector. That means you'll be putting your phone upside down so that the lightning connector is farthest away from you. Step 6. Place the top tray over your phone and make sure that the text for the speaker is on the bottom. Go ahead and align the tray into place. You can shake it around and make sure it's really stable and really aligned in place. Step 7. Take the absorption pads and place them on the sides. They will actually be resting on the surface of your phone. Step number 8. Use one of the speaker masking film and cover your speaker. Align it with the square rectangle cutout to get it exactly into position. Step number 9. Use the dust removal stickers to remove any dust on your screen. Take your time. You want to make sure there are no visible specks of dust. Step number 10. Align the position bridge over the middle of the top tray and make sure it slides into position. Step number 11. Take your adhesive bottle and unscrew the colored cap. Don't worry, the liquid adhesive won't come out yet. It's locked in there until you unscrew the other end of the adhesive bottle. Step number 12. Put the adhesive bottle into the position bridge and then unscrew the black cap at the end of the adhesive bottle. This will release the adhesive onto your phone screen. Let it continue to drip for about 30 seconds. Step number 13. Carefully remove the adhesive bottle and the position bridge. Step number 14. Remove the protective film from the back of your tempered glass screen protector. This backside is the side that will touch your phone screen. Step number 15. Align the screen protector with the bottom protrusion of the top tray. Pay attention to the camera cutout so you can correctly orientate the screen protector. Start at the bottom and lean it onto the plastic tab at the top. Step number 16. Hold the lower part of the bottom tray with one hand and hold the slider with the other hand at a 45-degree angle. And start at the bottom and slowly slide your way along the top tray away from you. Apply even and light pressure until the screen protector drops down. Step number 17. Wait for about 80 seconds for the adhesive to spread completely. Note, if the adhesive doesn't fully cover the glass or you see air bubbles, you can clean everything with water and start all over again. Step number 18. Place the UV curing lamp at the top part of the tray and turn it on for 15 seconds. Then repeat the procedure for the middle part of the tray for another 15 seconds and repeat again for another 15 seconds at the bottom part of the tray. Step number 19. Carefully remove the speaker masking film and remove the top tray. Take your phone out of the bottom tray. Be extra careful as the adhesive isn't fully cured yet. Step number 20. Use the alcohol wipe to clean any excessive adhesive around the phone, especially along the edges of the screen protector. Step number 21. This is the final UV curing step. Place the UV curing lamp at the top part of the phone and turn it on for 1 minute. Then repeat for the middle part of the phone for another minute and repeat again for another minute at the bottom part of the phone. Step 22. Step 22? There is no step 22. That's it. And we are done. Power up your phone and enjoy your awesome new, perfectly installed Whitestone Dome Glass Screen Protector. Just look at what a perfect installation we have. Everything is precisely aligned and I can't find a single air bubble. The touch sensitivity feels exactly the same as a native iPhone glass. The colors are vibrant, the screen is bright, everything is sharp. I can't even tell there's a screen protector installed. This is perfect. This is exactly what I want. A super high quality, no compromise screen protector. This is what the Whitestone Dome Glass Screen Protector is. Now that my screen is fully protected, it's time to add a case to protect the rest of the phone. I really like the fact that the screen protector is compatible with the majority of the cases out there. As you can see, although the screen protector covers the entire screen, there is still space around the phone to install a case. Let's compare with a typical basic cheap screen protector. Here, if you look carefully, you can see that most cheap screen protectors don't always align properly, and it doesn't cover the entire screen. You can certainly see parts of the screen that's not covered. Now compare that with the Whitestone Dome Glass screen protector, and you can see that it covers the entire screen and it's perfectly aligned. If you want the absolute best screen protector for your iPhone 11 Pro Max, there's simply no other choice than the Whitestone Dome Glass screen protector. I highly recommend them. Do you think the Whitestone Dome Glass is the best screen protector out there? I do, and that's my opinion. But if you don't think so, let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. So, if you're ready to buy the Whitestone Dome Glass screen protector, check out the link in the description of this video for the best pricing. And well, that's the end of this video. If this video was helpful, please remember to like the video. And if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to UTechpia. Your support is always appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Hey! Hello? Are you still there? Oh, there you are. I see you. Thanks for sticking around. Well, if you want to see more videos, check out these. And yeah, these are pretty interesting videos. I hope you like them. And thanks again for watching. I totally appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Well, I'm gonna head out now, so I'll see you later. Bye.